In this video, let's take a look at how you can find and go to your search history on the iPhone. Let's get started. You should know that it heavily depends on the app which you used to search for stuff. For example, a lot of people use the web browser, Safari or Google Chrome, whatever else it might be. But if you go to the Google Chrome or Safari, you can find a bunch of different things, like the history is right there at the bottom by marked by the open book icon. In there you can find the reading list, the favorites, as well as history. So these are the things which you can see. Obviously here are going to be all of the searches and everything that you looked up. So you have the ability to clear it. You can clear all history and searches, but you can also choose for today or all of these other options. So it's also pretty useful. So this is just Safari, for example. Outside of that, there are many other apps where search history is being stored. For example, Instagram. If you check out Instagram and go to the search right here, you can notice that we have the recent searches here. So this is technically the search history, and you can also click on see all and everything is going to be here. So you can see I looked up this YouTube account on Instagram. So another place where you can find your search history. So you can clear it all right here, or just click on the X icon to just remove whatever was there before. And the same thing applies to TikTok, to Facebook, and most of the other social media apps. Keep in mind that you also have some search related stuff inside of the settings where you can open it up and have some searches here. So you can have some related content and you can manage if these individual apps show up when you search for something, right? So yeah, depends on what exactly you mean by that. But these are mostly the things which you can check out, right? Outside of that, another important thing, and this is going to be the thing which I'm going to end the video with, and it's called the Google activity. So you can technically browse your activity and the things that you have searched, and it doesn't matter which browser you have used because it only requires you to be signed in with your Google account. So for example, Google has this page called My Activity, as I mentioned, and it allows you to track everything you have done through Google. And it doesn't matter if you have done it on your phone, on a tablet, if you have used Safari or Chrome, as long as you have been using the Google account, everything is going to be listed right here. So most definitely check out myactivity.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and you'll be able to browse the searches and the things you have been doing on Google, YouTube, and all of their platforms. So that's it. Let me know below in the comments if you have found everything that you are interested in. If not, let me know below in the comments about what are some things that you still need to find or get helped with. So thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.